students, welcome back to Simple English with IVCAP. Today we are going to tackle something that confuses a lot of English learners: articles. You know those tiny words and the? They look small, but trust me, they can really change the meaning of the sentence. So let's break them down in a way that actually makes sense. Let's start simple. We use and an when we are talking about something in general, not specific. I saw a dog. This could be any dog, nothing specific about it. She wants an apple. Any apple will do. Now here's where learners often get tripped up. Do we choose a or an based on the letter or on the sound? It's the sound that matters. If the word starts with a vowel sound, use an hour. Because the H is silent, so it starts with a vowel sound. If the word starts with a consonant sound, use a union. Yes, U is a vowel letter, but it sounds like yo, which is a consonant sound. So remember, it's not about the first letter, it's about the first sound. Now let's move to the. We use the when we are talking about something specific or something that is already known. I saw the dog that lives next door. Not just any dog, but a particular one. Let's go to the park. The park we both know. Here's a common question. Do we say the before country names? Most of the time, no. You don't say the France or the Japan, but there are exceptions. We use the for countries with United in the name. For example, the United States, the United Kingdom, the United Arab Emirates. We also use it for countries made up of islands or regions. The Philippines, the Maldives, the Netherlands. So while it's France, it's the United States and the Philippines. We also use the when there's only one of something, something unique. The sun, the moon, the internet. Why? Because there's only one and everyone knows which one they are talking about. Another special case, when we use superlatives, we almost always use the. He is the tallest in the classroom. That's the most interesting movie I've ever seen. Without the, it just sounds incomplete. Here's a quick tip. If you're talking about things in general, don't use the. Cats are cute. We are talking about cats in general. But if you mean a specific group, then use the. The cats in my house are cute. Time to test yourself. Which one is correct? Write your answers in the comments. I'll check if you got them right. Okay, let's recap. Use and for general, non-specific things. Use the for specific things, unique things, superlatives, certain countries, and when context makes it clear. Remember the sound rule. An hour, but a union. No article for plural generalizations like dogs are friendly, unless if you mean specific ones. And that's it. Articles might look small, but they are powerful. The more you notice them in real English, the more natural your speaking and writing will become. If this video helped you, make sure to like, share it with a friend, and subscribe for more lessons that make English easy to use in real life. See you next time.